So the stage is set for an afternoon of blockbuster cricket. It's Team India versus the Proteas in the ICC Women's World Cup final, a battle for glory, pride and history. Both sides are chasing their maiden World Cup title, but the nation's hopes rest on our women in blue to bring it home. And joining me on this broadcast are my colleagues. We're going to get you a sense of the kind of excitement that is across cities, because Karishma, isn't this like the Chak De moment for Team India? We are also seeing winds of change in the attitude of the people, in the people, how they are perceiving the women in blue, the kind of cheers that are coming in. What's the sentiment you're tracking on the ground?
Well, absolutely, Sagarika. This has already become the turning point as far as women's cricket in India is concerned. I was there at the D.Y. Patil Stadium yesterday and it was jam-packed. The gates weren't open. Why? Because people wanted tickets. People wanted to get inside that stadium and support the women in blue. When we spoke to the BCCI Secretary, Devajit Saikia, he also said the same thing, that earlier we used to have headaches as to how to get tickets for the men's cricket, but now we are facing the same for women's cricket. So that is the amount of support that is coming in for women's cricket, and this is a very, very pleasant and a welcome change when we talk about how the women's cricket is improving in our country. And the Indian team also needs a lot of credit for it, the way they have performed, the way they have shown character throughout this World Cup, losing few of the matches in the league stage, but then coming back very, very strongly versus Australia in the semi-final to show that we have the potential to be here in the final and hopefully, fingers crossed, also beat South Africa and create history. Because if I talk about the pre-match conference which was done by Harmanpreet Kaur yesterday, she said a very emotional thing, that we have seen how it feels to be on the losing side. We also want to feel how it is to be on the winning side. So they are talking about the heartbreaks in the past and they want to turn it into victory this time around. But whatever said and done, there is going to be a new champion as far as the ICC Women's World Cup is concerned.
Absolutely. And Karishma, do stay with us. We'll talk about, what this moment feels like, what the captain has said, what has been the turning point in these matches. Let me also go across to my colleagues Shivam and Richa. Richa, you've soaked in the sentiment. You two are sporting the blue jersey to cheer for the team. This will be Team India's third appearance in the World Cup final as they chase their long-awaited maiden title. Take us to what the sentiment is like in Mumbai.
The Team India has already made us proud in the semi-finals, and today also the team is about to make another history. And where I am standing is very special location. This is MIG Club in Bandra, where Jemimah started playing when she was 10-11 years old. She used to play on this particular ground, and these young cricketers have seen her play. Let us understand how they are feeling about this. Team India is finally in the final. And what are your feelings today? How proud are you about our entire team?
We're very proud that our girls have reached the finals. It's been a long time since we've reached the finals, and this is finally another opportunity for women to prove themselves when it comes to the cricket field. So yeah, we're very excited and we have faith in our girls.
How do you look at how the entire country is now cheering for women in blue, and how this was in a different situation few years back?
It feels so good. Like the views going from 100 people to 10 crore people on Jio Hotstar, and like 50,000 people cheering in the crowd. It feels like surreal. Like the players, the emotions. It's really great to see everything going so well in favor of us, and we're gonna win it. So let's go Team India.
This is a very special moment for Mumbaikas also. 2-3 players belong to Mumbai, including Jemimah. You've seen her play. How do you look at her career graph, how she is now growing, and how she made a history in the semi-final?
I've watched Jemimah play here, and it's crazy how far she has come, and she has evolved so much as a player, and we're just very proud of each and every one of them.
What are your expectations today? Definitely, we are sure that we are going to win the cup. What are your expectations from the entire team?
I mean, the expectations for the entire team would just to play their best and get the victory for India. Bleed blue, guys.
So girls here are cheering for Team India, and this is a special location, MIG Club, where Jemimah used to play for many years, and the girls have seen her play, and how she performed in the semi-finals has definitely made us proud. And today also we are just few hours away from making another history.
Absolutely. And you know, I'll come to you, Shivam, but Karishma, the girls there, when they talk about Jemimah's journey, the kind of inspiration that she brings to them, one of them just said, you know, for her it is so surreal because she watched Jemimah play in that very ground in Bandra in Mumbai, and today, you know, she's become a household name. Can you also take us through the journey of the Indian women's cricket team and the kind of grit, the kind of perseverance that they've shown in their journeys?
Well, absolutely, Sagarika. Jemimah is someone who has worked very hard on her craft. Remember, she used to dabble in hockey as well, but then became a cricketer. And Jemimah has had a very inspirational story. In fact, after the historic 127 not out versus Australia, she also spoke about what she's going through in terms of anxiety and how she wants to be vulnerable in the public because she wants to help out people who may be going through the same thing but will find it difficult to speak about it. So that only goes on to show that a 25-year-old is showing character, is understanding what it means to be out there in this world and what mental toughness is. And the entire Indian cricket team has been showing through this tournament because, Sagarika, there was a lot of criticism for the Indian cricket team after they lost those back-to-back league stage matches as well. Some of them had written the Indian women's cricket team off as well, and very few gave them a chance versus Australia in the big semi-final. And you know, speaking after the semi-final, they just said that they spoke in the dressing room to each other and said that this is our ground, this is our land, we will show Australia what we are capable of, we will not let them take away our thing from us. And this is exactly what the momentum is with the Indian team. You know, if I talk about a bit of the technical things, South Africa hasn't played on this ground. India has, and India will have that advantage apart from the 45,000 people in the stadium cheering for them. So that is of course also going to be in India's favor. So a lot looking good. Navi Mumbai looks silent at this moment, but it's only preparing to cheer for the Indian women's cricket team in a couple of hours till the end of the night.
And I'm sure when you you know, come back to us, when you tell us about the mood and sentiment, you will also, you know, we will find it difficult to hear you because of the kind of loud cheers that will echo right behind you. Going across to Shivam. Shivam, the clash that will unfold today, it will unfold at Navi Mumbai's D.Y. Patil Stadium, which is just an hour away from the iconic Wankhede Stadium where Dhoni had sealed India's 2011 triumph with that unforgettable 6. Now, I want to ask you, where are you? What is the mood like? What is the sentiment that you are tracking?
Well, Sagarika, as you rightly mentioned, as Karishma was also saying about the story of comeback. This World Cup for India is about comeback, and talking about comeback, one player that has also defined comeback is Shefali Verma, the Indian opener, who was not included into the squad initially, but now she has come in as injury replacement, and now she has the chance to give a stable opening partnership when it comes to the opening. And we are currently reporting from the place where she learned, where this entire journey started. We are currently in Rohtak, the Sri Ram Narayan Cricket Club, and here you see the young budding cricketers, budding female cricketers also drilling early in the morning. We are also being joined by the coach, the coach of Shefali Verma, who saw her, you know, evolving, and that beautiful hand-eye coordination that we see. Vijender ji is with us. Vijender ji, first of all, thank you time से आपसे बात करने के लिए. आज इंडियन वुमेन क्रिकेट टीम फाइनल खेल रही है. कितना बड़ा दिन है, आपकी क्या फीलिंग है, क्या भावनाएं हैं इन चीजों को लेकर?
हमारी तो भावना यही है कि शेफाली वर्मा कुछ अच्छा करे और इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप जीते
वर्ल्ड कप जीते. आपने शेफाली वर्मा को देखा है बड़े होते हुए, उनका क्रिकेट, अभी भी खैर वो काफी यंग है, बट उनका क्रिकेट आपने बढ़ते हुए देखा है. आज जैसे बड़ा दिन है, क्या नॉर्मली तैयारी होती है शेफाली वर्मा, कुछ अलग से वो तैयारी करती है, जो उनका रूटीन होता है वही रहती है, किस तरह से?
नहीं, उसका तो जो गेम है वो अपने गेम के हिसाब से ही खेलती है.
गेम के हिसाब से?
हाँ जी.
और नॉर्मल गेम जैसे उनका एग्रेसिव बोला जाता है कि वो आपको सहवाग और रोहित टाइप पार्टनरशिप देती है, तो वो किस तरह से बढ़ा, किस तरह से आपने किस तरह से देखा उस गेम को बढ़ते हुए?
उसको बढ़ते हुए यही है कि भाई वो अपने नेट में जो है अपने वही शॉट खेलती है जो मैच में खेलती है।
मैच में खेलती है।
हाँ जी।
और कितने एक्साइटेड हैं आप और क्या क्या दुआएं हैं, क्योंकि मैं देख रहा हूँ यहाँ पर बहुत से लोग हैं जो कुलदेवी के मंदिर जा रहे हैं पूजा करने के लिए इंडियन टीम के लिए। आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं और आप इंडियन टीम को क्या बोलना चाहते हैं?
हम इंडियन टीम को यही बोलना चाहते हैं कि अच्छा खेले और वर्ल्ड कप जीते।
वर्ल्ड कप। So you see the coach who has seen the opener now today, who will be playing on the very big day, on the D-day of the finals, also wishing and also saying that it is all about the process and what the players have believed in, that they're doing nothing new on the big day, just sticking to the basics and making the India win that first inaugural world title for the World Cup Championship.
And today's match is going to be one for the history books, isn't it? Because there is so much learning. It's just about stories of perseverance once being written off, and today you are on the cusp of actually lifting the cup. To reach this final, Team India pulled off a stunning chase of 339 against the mighty Australia. With South Africa, South Africa powered past England with also a commanding win in the semis. Now, India and South Africa, viewers, have faced each other 34 times in the ODIs, with Team India emerging victorious in 20 of those clashes, while the Proteas have won 13 and one match then ended without a result. Now, on the World Cup stage, the two sides have also met 5 times. India holds the edge there too, winning 3 encounters against South Africa's 2. Now, let's take you through the kind of, reactions, the kind of congratulatory messages and also the wishes that are pouring in.
तारीख भी सेम है 2 तारीख को हमने जीता था, है ना, मैदान भी सेम है ना, तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि रिजल्ट भी सेम रहेगा। आई होप जो हमारी लड़कियां हैं कल जाएं और भारत देश का नाम रोशन करें। विल ऑल बी बैकिंग द होल लॉट की बस जाओ और अपना बेस्ट गेम खेलो। जीत और हार जो होगी हमें मंजूर है, कोई प्रेशर नहीं व्हाटसोएवर, बट आई एम श्योर जिस तरीके की क्रिकेट खेली है मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि भारत के हाथों में कल ट्रॉफी होगी।
वुमेन क्रिकेट टीम को अभिनंदन करता हूं, उन्होंने बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस करा है और आने वाले दिनों में भी हमारी वुमेन्स क्रिकेट टीम बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस करती रहेगी। मेरी ओर से शुभकामनाएं।
And what's the team feeling like? Here's what the captain said, in the run-up to the match.
It's a proud moment for me and entire team, and I'm sure entire country must be also very proud the way we have played the last few games, and it's a big day, big game, and at the same time we just want to be very focused and be in the moment. I think that is the key. जब आप ऐसी स्टेज पर होते हो, यहाँ पर वर्ल्ड कप का फाइनल मैच खेल रहे हैं, इससे बड़ी मोटिवेशन आई डोंट थिंक कोई हो सकती है, और सारी टीम बहुत फुल्ली चार्ज अप है, एक दूसरे के साथ खड़े हैं और एक दूसरे के लिए बहुत सारी प्रेयर्स और ब्लेसिंग्स एक दूसरे को दे रहे हैं। आई थिंक दैट शोज कि ये टीम कितनी एक दूसरे के साथ है और हम लोग कितने रेडी है इस मैच के लिए। हार के बाद क्या फील होता है वो तो हमें अच्छे से पता है, लेकिन जीतने के बाद क्या फीलिंग होती है, दैट इज समथिंग विच वी आर रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर। और होपफुली ये जो कल का जो दिन है हमारे लिए स्पेशल रहे, हम अपना बेस्ट दें, बेस्ट क्रिकेट खेले। अभी तक बहुत हार्ड वर्क करा है, इट्स ओनली अबाउट गेटिंग एवरीथिंग टुमारो फॉर द टीम।
बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया है, इट्स एवरीथिंग दैट वी डन इज फॉर दिस डे, बिकॉज वी नो हाउ इट फील्स लाइक to lose, but we want to taste what victory feels like. That's what the captain said. More wishes are pouring in. This is Preeti Zinta. Preeti Zinta says, wishing the women in blue all the best for the World Cup final. We will be rooting for you, and we are so proud of the grit and heart you have shown throughout this tournament. Chak de fatte. So these are the kind of wishes that are pouring in. This is the kind of sentiment that's also coming in. We also want to take you through the voices of the Janta. How are people of this country sending out their wishes? What is their perception about women, the women in blue, and also how they are cheering for them? Listen in.
Team, we are so proud of you, and all the very best. Make us proud. Make India proud. I think this is a very huge step when we talk about women empowerment. So I'm very proud.
Very happy after seeing my India is improving day by day, and especially women are coming ahead and they are proving themselves. So I'm proud of them, and I want to say that all the best. keep on going and keep on improving, and I want to say that all the best for their life.
With that, it's time for us to take a short break.